What's up? Back in Island Pacific Market, Filipino grocery. This is the place where a lot of Filipinos coming here for groceries. Here's inside, and inside too is there's a restaurant, and there's a lot of menu Filipino foods like name it, chicken barbecue, pork barbecue, everything that you need. Lahat ng luto, all menu Filipino are here. So, yeah, this is the place. Welcome, okay? Alright, like my video, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel, Hollywood Pinoy Wonderland.